Rotarians, because I don't fit the answer call. My phone and my head is full. Different call. Mama Rita, yeah, explain man. No, they baby do explain man. But explain man. Yeah, why you go back my people? So I decided to come on live video because I also respect you people too much. I love you. Lolo that Goldie Finch, thank you so much. I watched you on live video. You have spoke my mind and you have even talked everything. Said, but me adoriate no matter. You understand? I'm just here to add to what Lolo said because she didn't finish it. Our Benin people, they use and make parable say, who they pursue person on the ever the day your front. Now your back in the day.
Exactly.
I be my love. Whoever is it that is pursuing you.
Anyone running after you is behind you.
Anyone running after you is behind you. It's never in your front.
No, that you are leading.
You are leading. That is why they are running after you. So at this time, there is time for everything. If they couldn't shine on their Facebook when it was their time, it's my time to shine.
Exactly.
So let me tell you people, they said these people went to my mother's house. When they came, they told my mother to say they are looking for the mother of this house. So like I want to tell you all, Rotarians, anything that I tell you on this platform is what you should listen to. What you didn't hear from there, they are all sharks, nonsense and stupidity to make view from people who have been relevant for more than 7 years. Irrelevant. People that has been relevant for more than 7 years. Emani me left Facebook under 2 years I passed them. Sometimes, it's true that this woman is misbehaving in Spain. What is her name? I don't know what her name is. I've really been looking at her like a baby. I never wanted to beat her for one day. The reason why I don't want to put myself with her is because I saw that she's too junior. Because even if you come to the saga, she cannot handle me. She don't feel a woman one of my leg. She don't got she don't know what it takes and how to do saga. She cannot even do it. So my people, I saw it that I don't have problem with her. The one way they Spain, so we just they make big. What we have to I don't got problem with her. I don't know what they find they go. I don't know what they pursue. If you ask me, say what they pursue, what go on here?
No one knows.
No one knows. I don't know. But she's busy chasing herself, thinking she's chasing Rita. I don't know. But I only know that she was given a job by other people to do. I only know that she was given a job by household enemy to try and pursue me because household enemy want to hide herself and want to be using all this irrelevant sharks on Facebook. Even make better in a long time. People who are trying to grab my cloth and belong somewhere. You see? So that is it. Edoya Peter wa gberamane otema attention so no market kinari ne. You understand? But she has been dragging this attention for a very long time, trying to be useful, trying to be relevant. She wants to really see me exchanging words with her on a daily basis, which I see and I know that it's going to be a very big downfall and a very big shame on me to exchange words with such a person who have nothing to offer. 2 days ago, she went on live video. She was even murmuring over there. I just said me, I go spy and I saw that 20 people was watching her. You know, I just also say, what do I have to go and tell this person now? I bet carry your own they go. I know you are too irrelevant for me to say. So, they say the people, they come. Like I want to tell you people, all these are the activities of household enemy. She's in Nigeria. She's the person that took them, that showed my father, my parents' house to them. Because there is a video evidence that a household enemy did on live video. The time where she talk that day, she talk and we have the video where she talk and say, anybody where needs your mama, your papa house now, he go show them. So definitely, this is exactly what she did. She did Nigeria. So immediately she entered Nigeria, she started planning all these things and organizing with all these relevant people somewhere to remain relevant. She's in Nigeria. Household enemy is in Nigeria. She's the one doing it. So, my beautiful people, they said the person come. As the person come, he said, now 3 of them. They said that they are coming from area command, Sapler Road. Sapler Road, now my father village. Over Sapler Road, Evuekme. If you pass Evuekme, you will reach, if you pass Yanomo, you go do Evuekme. So I'm from Evuekme. Between, my father comes from between Evuekme and Yanomo. Both parents come from the Evuekme and Yanomo. This is our village in Sapler Road. And as you can see, that station for there, that area command for there, now then my father for Guiezoto for 21 years, the time of Egomonoba Ediawa, not be today. You understand? So, Sapler Road area command has been the place that we have been visiting as a family for many years, even because of a motor and all these things. So when these people came, they said they want to take my father to a young village, my mother to the husband village for area command for there. Say, now so person can report you. Somebody write a petition. against you. Somebody write a petition, they say yes. Who is the person? They say if they reach police station, then they go talk am. As a big madonna, now my mother carry a bag. If you follow the entire motor. My sister was just coming from Abuja. That one say, I will follow una. May I follow una go the area command. Let's see what my mother did. My mother went with them. When they reach police station, they say, what is the problem? And what is the petition? What was the petition? To the shockest of our surprise, they say na one woman, where they call Mommy Love. Now he say you dey insult her for live video. So because Mommy Love say you dey insult her for live video, and another woman where they call Prophetess Grace. So Prophetess Grace, he say you dey insult her for live video. Mommy Love and Prophetess Grace say you dey insult her. So for that reason, because you dey insult her, now make them carry you come here. Now my mother say, so they say me, Rita, they insult them. That is why they came to my house to arrest me. He say yes. Now I laugh. Now police say, okay, when I come, they will also come in and hear from me what is going on. You understand me? They were doing it. The time when they come here, I was just laughing. So why the arrest? They say now one woman where they call Mommy Love. Mommy Love say I dey bully her for live video. So because I dey bully her for live video, now he making come use police to arrest my mama. And what did they call this? Prophetess Grace.
Prophetess Grace.
Is it not Prophetess Grace? They said. Prophetess Grace say I have a problem with her on live video. That I have issue with her. I was laughing. I said I don't know who is Prophetess Grace. As you people know, I've been on this live video for many years. I fought with many people, but I don't even know this woman. I don't have any issue with her. I don't even have any reason to fight her in the first place. Safe to start. There is no issue. There is no reason for me to even fight her. The only reason that was supposed for me to fight or talk to her was because of this this one where they just get up for his house, begin they use the ear, they knock word, they knock ground, they knock everywhere, they go for where they talk rubbish, we don't even know what they talk. That was the only reason I was even supposed to fight her, which I never even did. I never even give her relevance. If I have take this one to be relevant, I wish I regard this what they call a Mumu Love. I wish I regard them to be normal human being. Maybe I would have even talked to the prophet. But because I know to say this one is irrelevant, there's no reason for me to even answer this one, not to talk of anybody around her. Is there any need?
No need.
There is no need. I know that she talked to me every day. I know that she bullied me every day. I know that she's always talking about me. But I've seen her saga as a baby saga that have no meaning. You understand me? There's no reason for me to even talk to her. So I kept her quiet all this while. Why? Because to me, she's irrelevant. Even to I know say they carry my matter, I can't give her. I keep her quiet because a doy I put what Tom you when the time come. What Tom you now so bini parable talk to my people. Please share the video. If you have been hearing all the updates on live video since. My mother sit down with them for police station. So what do you people want now? They said the prophet is coming from Warri.
From Warri.
The prophet that tell them to come and arrest your mother is coming. So when the prophet came, according to them, he said Naim, he said me, we be Rita, they call her prostitute for live video. He said me, we be Rita, they bully her. He said I bully her through Frank Victor platform. Is that not what the police officer said?
Yes.
He said I called the person called Frank Victor, that I am working with Frank Victor. So I told Frank Victor to bully her. So Frank Victor was not calling her prostitute. So for that reason, that is why they came to arrest me. It was my voice that was talking. So they were playing one audio. One woman was talking on Frank Victor live video. I don't even know who is that woman. The woman was talking and talking and talking. Obviously, he was talking concerning the nonsense this one in Spain here is busy doing every day in that platform over there.
Exactly.
So the person that was talking is one of all these scholars who was talking to say, that one where they Spain was who wait concern you concern Rita. The woman was talking. So according to them, that is the evidence that they have to say, now maybe that person where he call for Frank Victor platform, where he can't they talk for there. So now me, now he say make Frank Victor they beat him, where be this whatever prophet that I don't even know that I've not talked to one day. I don't know her. So
Evidence.
That's the evidence. Is that not the evidence they have?
Yeah.
So my people, that's how we see the matter. Then they said the one my father senior, same mother, same father, he retired over there at the same area command. Now there for work retire. as a police officer. Now then I work, now I retire. My uncle was also there. People were there to say, okay, what is this? And I want to let you people know one thing. Police station is not meant for animals. It's human beings that go to police station.
Yes.
When you have an issue, you go to police station. When you think you have an issue, you go to police station. My mother had been visiting police station many years, even before I was born. Either she escort person go there, or person escort another person go there, or she go to bail person, or for one reason or the other. So area command, or where Udin, the Sapler road. So that is it. Is that what happened? They said yes. Even the police over there, they were wondering and laughing to say, Isha. So this woman is not the person that I talked to. My mother said, I don't know anybody like Mommy Love or Mumu Love. I don't know where it's coming from. And this prophet said, do you know my mother? I was hearing from the background, the prophetess was busy vibrating to say, Frank Victor is always bullying her every day. Of which I don't even know whether Frank Victor bullied this prophetess. He not bully her. I have no clue. I have no idea. So now, the reason why they took my mother to police station was not for arrest. Because there is no evidence for any crime whatsoever. Learned people on social media know what you carry your head and put into. You don't arrest a person who you don't know, who doesn't do anything to you. So by the time they went to police station, it was for questioning, to talk, so that she can also talk. Write your statement. Then she took a barrel and also write to say, I don't know anybody like a Mommy Love or prophetess, whatever. I don't know them. Exactly. That was her statement. And really, she don't know them. She have no idea about them. She don't know where they are.
She has nothing to do with them.
She has nothing to do with them, and she will never know them.
And she will never need them in her life.
And she will never need them in her life. So she have absolutely no reason. So even me, that is Rita, this video I'm doing today, my lawyer is here watching direct from Nigeria. My lawyer, this video is going to also go to court as an evidence, the video I used to talk about this issue. Understand me, my people? So we are not babies. We were not born today.
Exactly.
So they were also talking inside the police station. They say they want to go to German embassy. When they will go to German embassy, they will write a petition against me. And when they write a petition against me, the German will not deport me back to Nigeria.
Nigeria.
The German will deport me to where now? Nigeria. Really? Yes. All right. We were listening. So as a police station, a statement at me, the police station. That is exactly what they did. Ije wamudia why to agbegbe. Wamudia. Vous me finish in why worry wagume ma. Okay. Why worry wagi me finish? Why worry? Hello. E wala ya finish yesterday me. Wasi ai nagbera ni. Only wagwala attention if you ogwala no me na monetize no ya me go gere ya low spin. All right. So only naga one me people. Now they say no, they go work tomorrow. No, father-in-law is on holiday. He's on holiday. He's not going to work tomorrow.
I am on holiday.
Yes.
I am on holiday.
Now they go there, the right statement. Where is the prophetess where he say he get problem with Rita? Because it's this woman that said I have a problem with her. Really? He said yes. Okay. If you say so, there is no problem. Let she come. She come. Immediately she come. My mother saw her and now noticed that Prophetess Grace visited my mother's house in 2 occasions. She visited my mother's house in 2 occasions before. My father have a very big house. It's not a mansion. He have a 12 rooms in Benin. And he also have a 1 flat. In short, 1.5 semi-flat in the village. So, household enemy know my house very well. Household enemy told Prophetess Grace to say, if you reach there, you tell your mama say you want rent 1 house, you want rent room. Then your mama go let you enter house. That is how they came. So the 2 boys where they send come, I don't know where they foresee the boys speak for Benin. Now those ones now they fair carry go there. Where also then limited they say if you not reach here, una go show you show when you show them my father has finished. He say if you not reach there, una go say una want rent room. My mother sit there, tenant. Una want rent room? They say yes. Now mama say okay. Make una enter house because she's a philanthropist. They enter house. They see the room where they want rent. He open the rooms for them. Make them look. Now this room una want rent. Now this one una want rent. They say now that one. They say now so they won't go here. They won't look. Then go. When they finish, they enter parlor. They sit down. My mother even give them water. The people, the two boys where they say first sent come. They saw them in the police station today. Then they gave them water. They drank the water and they carried their bag and they go. When they went, they came back again to my mother. This time they never arrested. This was about 3-4 days ago. They came back to my mother again say, no be the one carry the ass. Now one prophetess. Now one carry the rats. Now one rent my papa house. Now my mother say, who be the prophetess? Me una go call and come. They go call the prophetess. It was prophetess. This very prophetess with the Facebook. No pekble. They go call and come. When they call the prophetess come, now my mother look and this prophetess stay for Joshua. When he stay for Joshua, my mother say, may you come now enter house now near house. She say she not go enter. She say she just come look and where the house today. Because household enemies in Nigeria is the one that gave them my father's house. She also said it on video to say, now so he go show them the house. There is a video evidence where she take talk and say, anybody no need there, no even the one in Spain today, when we were recording her voice, she also said it to say, she is the one that anybody who needs it can come and take. There's a video evidence that she used to say it. If you ask me to say what that one in Spain is fighting for, I'll be wondering because I don't know what she's fighting for. She's not even fighting me, she's fighting herself. Because I don't want to give her the attention that will give her view. I don't have any problem with her, like I continue to say. Alright? So this prophetess, he say, na you want carry the house. Now mama say, na you, he say yes. He finish, he come out. So, my mother, he write phone number, give them. When you are not home, you can call me. That is how they got my mother phone number, my people. Household enemy showed them the house. Not being give them the number. He tell them, say me, then go there, say they want rent house. If they reach there, say they want rent house, then they go know my father house where. Then, so they take write the phone number. My mother take write phone number, I can't give them. Very funny. When they give the finish, they come out, they go give this attention seeker away this Spain. When they give attention to seeker for Spain, attention speaker can't call mama. Which there's also a video evidence where she confirmed it this evening to say she really called my mother. So as you can see, it's a chain of conspiracy on the line. A conspiracy that has to involve, we are still tracing the people that are involved. At least 2 or 3 of them are grand already. So it's a chain of conspiracy that is involved in this act. So she confirmed it this evening to say she is the one that called my mother. So that one is enough for me. So after she talked that one, when I listened to that one, then I left the video. That is exactly what I wanted to confirm. So they called my mother about 2-3 days ago. She is the one who called my mother. She wanted to record my mother on video to gossip me, Rita, with my own personal biological mother, who carried me for tutu. So she wanted to record my own mother. And she failed. So immediately she talked to my mother, this one will not get life with this. Immediately she finished talking, my mother told her to say, you are talking about my daughter? I say yes. My mother say, I don't have anything to tell you. I talk her now, I do video about her 3 days ago. My mother say, I don't get anything to tell you. I go call you after I don't talk to Rita. That was how my mother discharged them because he don't know the person who is calling. Then my mother called me. So the name she gave, she told my mother that her name is Monica. So Monica has been the person that we have been carrying everywhere since, who called my mother on phone. Because Monica is the person she said. So according to her this evening, she lied to say, I have a person that is called Monica, a friend in Greece that is called Monica. That is why she used that name. That was a lie from the pit of hell. I never had anybody that is have to do with Monica. I never have any friend called Monica in Greece. She just tried. Now God, where they disgrace them, I see they disgrace them, they come. She wanted to put, I wish if you record my mama, they would have edited it and removed their own voice and read and So she said, according to her, she said it's Monica. So when I came to live video, I also told my fans to say, Somebody said her name is Monica. So we don't know who the person is. If now this person will do live video or na lie she dey talk, but she said her name is Monica. So for the live video where she do this evening, she use her mouth to say it, to say, now she tell my mama say her name na Monica. So my mother was not wrong to said a person called Monica called her. Are you people understanding me? So I will explain it to you in detail so that you can all understand.
That one is for later. Na so it be.
Sarah, I see what you send me, fine girl. I'll check on just now. So, when they go say person don't old, she was not wrong to say a person called Monica called her. So, if the one where they Spain, your name was one Spain now, if she was able to use her mouth to say person where they call Monica, now she used her mouth talk and say her name na Monica. She called my mother and gave a fake name, which is Monica, to herself. I wonder why she decided to even use that name out of all the names on social media. I wonder why she refused to say her name. Lovett is her name, to say her name is Lovett. So, one after the other. So the confession was done by herself this evening. We downloaded the video. I will look for the minutes where she for talk and say, now she called my mama say her name, now Monica. So she didn't do that to say, her name is Monica because I have a friend called Monica. No, I don't have any friend called Monica on social media. I don't have any friend called Monica.
Her first video that she later stopped. Huh?
The first video she did.
Yeah, on the 57th minute.
On the 57 minutes.
That is the time she was doing it. That's the time she gave a confession.
Okay, the first 57 minutes.
Yes.
On the 57 minutes. But did you record that one?
Everything is there.
All right.
Yes. Okay. That's the time.
So,
on the 57th minute. So
on the 57 minutes.
It's sorted out.
Okay. I don't know if I can get that first video on the 57 minutes where she confirmed by her mouth to say she told my mother that her name is Monica. So the post that I posted some days ago to say a person called Monica called my mother is obviously was not a lie. I've able to prove it beyond reasonable doubt to my fans and followers to say that post was truth and it was genuine. A person called Monica called my mother. So this a person who is using all her power and strength to look for irrelevancy where there is no relevancy. Is it not on this video?
That's just
on the 57 minutes, right?
Go to, yeah.
On the 57 minutes. Oh, I saw you downloaded it already. All right.
Because I will get off of bed. I can't call.
I can't call.
As I call. As I call. I can't greet her. You know? The way they take train us for us. Call J. Anybody who don't mature, like call J. I can't greet her. I can't greet her. You know? As I greet her, I can't say, Namio Monica. He said to be your name, I said, my name is Monica. I said, why I use that Monica? Not because of Monica with the social media, because say she get friend where she collect boyfriend from, where they call Monica, and make me say.
So he says she get friend. He says she's the one who called my mother, and she said her name is Monica. The reason why she said that, not because of Monica with the Facebook. She did it because of say me girlfriend when I collect boyfriend for. So if you live in Greece before, and you know that I have anybody I collect boyfriend for, and your name is Monica, I collected your boyfriend, open your Facebook and open your live video and say it the way it is. Don't be afraid of anything. That was, by the way, this one when I talk, so I use and take clear the post when I do some days ago to you people that I never lied in that post. She's the one who used her mouth to make that confession today. So what we need in this case, this is a very sensitive case. Prophetess Grace, I have never had anything with you. You are watching me on this live video right now. I've not talked to you one day on live video. I've not updated anything about you one day. I've not even got any reason to talk about you. Because to me, you don't exist on social media. I've not even checked your platform one day to go and look for it for any reason. Although people were saying the time your counterpart was misbehaving, people were telling me to come for you. But I got no reason to come for you because I'm not a stupid woman. I'm not a nonsense person. I'm a person that knows what is doing. Every video that your counterpart has been doing from day one concerning me, because I know that I don't have any issue with her, I have been downloading them. Me and this my dearest husband who is here. And we have been keeping note of every point that is supposed to be keeping note of. Because we are not stupid people. We don't fight anyhow. We fight with points.
Exactly.
So, I am happy so much that they drew the first blood. They drew the first blood. So, when you have a fight with a person, it's good for people to drew your first blood. So that when you are drinking back, you can drink even and drink and drink and drink. So they drink the first blood.
So
they drink first blood.
Our lovely people, do not panic.
Yes.
Don't be afraid.
My mother is at home already.
Mama is at home.
Mama
yes.
is at home.
Yeah.
So they went there. My mother followed them to the police station. She never followed on the handcuff. While she is not a criminal, she has not done any wrong whatsoever.
Yes.
They told her to say they want to explain. They want her to explain if she really knows these people. That is what she went for. She just went for an explanation. And she did the explanation. And they saw that she got nothing to do with these people. And they say, go back home. So my mother, conscience, say, Prophetess Grace came to her own house to say she want to rent a house. To say she need a favor from my mother so that she can know my mother's house.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is self-pretense a crime?
Self-pretense.
Is it a crime?
Self-pretense is a crime.
Oh,
Big
really?
one. Yes.
So we are coming for you. That one is a crime.
Self-pretense is a crime.
Yeah.
So, Daddy, please check the comment section so that we can block anyone that is supposed to be blocked.
Yes.
They went to the police station, and this is how my mother was asked to go home. So whatever they are saying over there, I don't know what it is. There is no reason why my mother even need to sleep police station till daybreak. It doesn't make sense to any reasonable person where they think. You will know that it doesn't even make any sense. To sleep prison for what? Or to sleep, some people are saying, na so they prison, na so they cool off, na so do ye. She was taken for questioning and she went there. And she did her own part of the story and she took her back and she went home. And the ball is in our court and how we play it remains our business.
Yes.
All right? Hello?
Hello, you have to charge the matter to court, you understand?
Why worry? Why relax? Ritoterians, why relax?
So you have to charge the matter to court, you understand? You don't know anything, because about social media, you not concern your mother. So just like that.
Why relax? Why relax? Why give you
The situation is very, very much under control.
And it's nothing. Even
Don't
the police,
worry. Don't worry.
the police where they under, the police was only telling me to say, "Me una not fight for that side though." I beg, because they don't know what they happen. These people where they Nigeria, it not concern them. I only told them, and which was the truth between God and mine. I don't know this woman who is in Spain, who say her name na mommy love. I've been waiting call herself. I don't know her. And I've never have any issue with her. I have never quarreled with her. But I have a video evidence that a household enemy used to say and confess on a live video to say, she is going to be giving my address to anybody who wants it. The evidence is there. All right? So, this very one who is in Spain, she's one of the people that the address was given to, and she tried to also try her power and see where her power reach. So, 1 cent, my people, it not come out from my pocket when I spend put. It not come out. It not even come out from my mama pocket where I spend put. It not come out from my papa pocket where I spend put. I only gave money to the police to buy drinks. Because if person don't already go police station finish, you know, you cannot lie about it to say money not come out for your pocket. Which I gave money to them to buy drink, 100,000 from, say, take. And it was a follower of mine who is Mama. She's here watching, who say, give me the account number, let me give them the money to buy drink. Now you with this since morning. Now we take on house. So, this same prophetess.
On top of that, the situation which happened there, whilst they were still there, let me reverse back.
Okay, you want to reverse back?
Yeah, when they were inside there, our family and the accusers. You understand? There is a statement which say they were begging, or another statement which I heard that
Why will I pay
we
200,000
called
for
from
what?
here to call and start begging. Let me tell you, the time I announced myself some weeks ago, I told you to say I am the game changer. So the word beg will never come
Beg for what
from
now?
our
Who them
mouths
be? Beg
on this
for-
matter. So remove the word beg. It is not there in our vocabulary. We will never beg. If it means that guerrilla warfare, then we will dress up and we will go wherever it will take us, and we will reach there.
So-
we are not going to beg anyone on this matter,
beg
but we are
waiting.
going to
And
do
it's, you
it
know, all those Facebook here, yeah, with my
slowly.
language with the
You
how many
understand?
of them they
So
do beg
don't
me?
worry,
She
the
don't
situation
back.
is under
When they
control.
are-
If you see the commander sitting down, relaxed here, having a glass of wine, know that everything is under control.
So my people, since when some people take see something for Facebook since they have been calling, Edoya Ekpitan, what that's a mirror, that's a mirror. Edoya Ekpitan, where Omano or Mama de. I've been not so many people talking. So my people, what I want to tell you is that when you take a person to court, to police station on a false pretense, and you visit people's house under a false pretense, it's against the law. Even Nigeria and a small country, but it's against the law. That was a murder attempt. So Prophetess Grace, she did a murder attempt on my mother, on my parents, by going to my family house in Nigeria to pretend to say she wants to be a tenant. That is exactly what she went to pretend to say she wants to be. Before the carrier enter us to say, may she can't see. So, my people, they went home. My mother got home today. Immediately they went home. We took the course from there. And before they got home, they say prophetess, whatever, carry paper, come out. He can't they write.
Calculate
He can't they calculate. Say, see how much he used. Oh.
the money that I used.
He used 200,000. He used 300,000. He used 400,000. He used 900,000 to say she also arrested Frank family. Make me we be Rita. I am your on TV. And Frank, may we can give her 900,000 for police station. All right? I don't know her. I don't know who is Prophetess Grace, and I don't know why I even have to give her 1 cent for any reason whatsoever. So if I have 900,000 to give anybody, I will just take it to Oko prison and buy all of them food over there. I don't know why I need to give it to Prophetess Grace. So my last word was that I will go to court. So just as Lolo said it on live video, I have evidence of bullying from this woman in Spain. The reason why I never reply her all this why was that I know that I can handle her. And we even knew that this one is going to happen. Not be me tell now 2 days ago. I say I talk for live video for here. Tell them say anybody who call you, record them. It was a reason why. Exactly. I know that household enemy is in Nigeria. You understand? So household enemy, now you hide under them, and they do all this this thing. My father has not been visited police station, not be today. Not be today they start to they go police station. Don't take even myself. No time when I take in that Nigeria where I not they go police station. I ever have my own personal friend who is inside there, Inspector Larry, inside this thing for there, area command for Sapler Road. Over Sapler Road. So I don't see any reason why I have to give my 1 cent to this one, no matter whoever no Spain, or this one where they call itself. I don't know what they call themselves. I don't see any reason why I have to give them my money. So my last word was that I want to go to court with them. The evidence they have that I use in insulting them, we need to bring it. And every video that she has been doing on me is being burned into CD in Benin. And it's going to be played in the court of law.
Let me just tell you
Let's see
a small tip.
who has been bullying who.
People, they don't know.
So that is it.
If you have evidence, it is better you provide a live video evidence.
Yes.
Not a voice record.
So they provided a voice record, and that voice record, they say I was insulting, what's her name, this prophet.
Prophetess. Yeah.
The prophetess sent me the insultant. So they can't go provide voice record. And this voice record, I don't even know who that person is. I was listening to it. I don't know who the person is.
Let me just...
I don't know who the person is.
It
so
won't work.
We asked for a video evidence because we have 7 to 8 or 9 video evidence of videos up to 3, 4, 5 hours that is being burned into CD. We are about to burn them into CD in Benin. So I am ready to go to court. And I don't want to spend and give 1 cent to anybody, but I am ready to give it to lawyer. Even if it's 10 million naira, I will go to court.
Yes.
But I will not give my 1 cent
Just
to
things will
anybody.
prevail.
Yes.
Exactly.
So